Hey yo, the Mitch here. Guys, I need your help. So, I have a new voice impression for you. But it's not a laugh impression. It's not like the other impressions. This one is of an animal. But I don't know which. I know it's a bird, but I don't know the species. So I need your help trying to identify what this, because I know it's got to be a real life species of bird out there that sounds. So I need your help to identify what species this most likely would sound like in real life. Okay, so you ready? Okay, so here we go. Hold on, it takes a minute for me to get it. It's kind of difficult to do. Also, it kind of helps me to bob my head, and I kind of like bob my head, kind of like something from Rob Snyder when I'm doing it. Kind of helps the sound. Now, doesn't that sound like some kind of bird? I know it's definitely sound like some kind of animal. I just don't know what. What do you think that sounds like? I can do that sound for as long as I remember. Ever since I was a teen, I think. This one day I was just randomly making noises like an idiot, and I just discovered it by accident.